doing this. Yeah, we'll give him.
Mist rose over the Transylvanian stone, where legends breathe and silence moans. Steps echo in the corridors of bone. At Corvin Castle I walk alone. Gothic arches hold the sky, iron gates where secrets lie. Torchlight flickers on ancient tales, nights in shadow, love that pales. I hear the whispers in the breeze, 1,000 ghosts among the trees. Their sorrow lives in every brick, place remembers deep and thick. Oh, Corvin, your towers rise through storms and centuries, under moonlit sky. You guard the past with blood and flame, every song carved with a name. In your silence I hear screams of broken hearts and haunted dreams. There's a chapel carved in reverence, and a dungeon full of consequence. Chains still hanging, rusted red. Stories linger from the dead. Lad once rode these echoed halls, feasting shadows, candle calls. Wolves cry loud on compassion. coffee and peace as the castle breathes and darkness speaks. Oh, Corvin, your towers rise through storms and centuries under moonlit skies. You got the past with blood and flame. Every stone carved oath the name. In your silence I hear screams of broken hearts and haunted dreams. So I leave with heavy soul. The castle's grip will never go. Corvin calls across the veil, a curse of love, an endless tale.
Oh, like he's like yours. Now I
Like
yes.